Hey friends, today I want to share an incredible tool that I've been using, and it's a total game changer. Whether you're a blogger, a business owner, or just someone who loves gathering opinions, this is something you don't want to miss. I've tried it myself, and I can't wait to show you how it works. So let's dive in. Once you've installed and activated the Forminator plugin, you'll find it in the left-hand menu of your WordPress dashboard. Click on it to open the Forminator dashboard, where you can manage all your forms, quizzes, and polls. It has both a free and pro version, allowing you to create engaging forms and polls effortlessly. If you're looking for an easy way to interact with your audience, this plugin might just be the perfect solution. All right, let's create a poll together. Enter a name that matches your poll's topic, and then click Continue to move forward. Now, it's time to add your question. Here, you can input your poll question, include a feature image if needed to make it visually appealing, and add an optional description to provide more context. Then, simply click on Add Answer to enter your response options. You can add as many as you need to ensure your audience has a variety of choices. Don't forget to set a button label for your poll, something like Vote Now or Submit, to encourage engagement. If you don't like the default look, you can tweak it to match your style. You have options for design style, including flat, bold, and material. When it comes to colors, you can fully customize them to fit your brand or preference. And if you want even more control, you can apply your own custom CSS to fine-tune every detail. On the Behavior tab, you have extensive control over various settings that define user interactions and result visibility. You can manage the results display, customize how and when vote counts are shown, and configure the submission method to align with your preferences. Additionally, you can fine-tune multiple other essential options, ensuring a seamless and tailored experience for both users and administrators. In the Notification tab, you have the option to enable email notifications for poll submissions. When this feature is activated, a notification email will be sent to the specified email accounts each time a new poll submission is received. After completing your customization and finalizing your poll design, you can publish it by clicking on the Publish button. You will receive a short link. Copy this link, then go to the Pages section in your dashboard and create a new page. Give your poll a relevant title, then paste the copied link under the title. Once saved, you'll be able to view your poll as it appears on the new page. It's this easy, and if there's anything you want to change, just click the Edit button at the bottom and tweak it to make it even better. If you don't have time to write questions and answers yourself, the Nuclear Engagement AI plugin is the perfect solution. This powerful AI automatically generates questions and answers from your blog posts with just one click, saving you time and effort. If a visitor selects the wrong answer, the plugin instantly displays the correct one in a green pop-up, enhancing user engagement and learning. Additionally, it can summarize your blog post in seconds, making it easier for readers to grasp key points quickly. Install Nuclear Engagement AI on your website today to take your content to the next level.